Hi, we're here today at Feed My Starving Children. We're getting ready to start. We have our whole team here from FMSC. Guys, what are we doing today?
We're making boxes for the kids.
Our commitment to making a difference goes beyond business. We also believe in giving back to the community and being a force for good in the world. That's why we spent the day at Feed My Starving Children, packing meals that will provide vital nutrition to children in need. It was an incredible opportunity to come together as a team and make a real impact. As Team Philippines, we packed enough meals to feed 60 children for an entire year. That's 60 kids who now have nourishment that they need to grow, learn, and thrive. We wanted to help these children succeed by giving them the foundation they need for a brighter future. Every box we pack represents hope, health, and the power of coming together as a community. We believe in the power of community, and we're committed to making a positive impact, both locally and globally. We encourage everyone to find ways to give back and make a difference in their own communities, because when we come together, we can create real change. Thank you to Feed My Starving Children for this opportunity, and to our team for showing up with so much energy and heart. At FMSC, we believe in small business, and we believe in the power of people coming together to make the world a better place.
Now, in those 102 boxes, there is 22,032 meals. Now, those meals will feed 60 kids a daily meal for a year. So that is 60 lives, change for the better to each and every one of you guys. So give yourself a